morning to all. As we all know that Sir Isaac Newton had invented three laws of motion. I am here to present a seminar on the topic Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law states that if an object A exerts a force on object B, then object B must exert a force of equal magnitude and opposite direction back to object A. This law signifies a particular symmetry in nature. One body cannot exert a force on another without experiencing a force itself. When two bodies interact each other, the force exerted by the first body is the action and the force exerted by the second body is called a reaction. Next, the formula of Newton's third law of motion. If one object A exerts a force Fa on the second object B, then B simultaneously exerts a force Fb on A. And two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So the formula is Fa is equal to negative Fb. Let us move to some of the examples. In a rocket, burning fuel creates a push on the front of the rocket, pushing it forward. This creates an equal and opposite push on the exhaust gas backwards. When you jump, your legs apply a force to the ground, and the ground applies an equal and opposite reaction force that propels you into the air. When rowing a boat, when you want to move forward on a boat, you paddle by pushing the water backwards, causing you to move forward. During climbing, the climbers are pulling their vertical rope downwards to push themselves upwards. In the case of a balloon, when the air is released, the force of the air being released is equal to the force of the balloon going up. When the birds fly, the wings of the birds pushes the air downwards and the air pushes the bird upwards. There are a lot of examples for the Newton's third law of motion, such as swimming, bouncing off a ball, recoiling of gun, walking on a platform, a man jumping from a boat, and so on. Newton's third law is associated with conservation of momentum. According to the law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. By this, I am concluding my words. Thank you and have a nice day.